Alright, here we go. Just in 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. Braun ability, handicap wheelchair conversion. This is a super rare, limited model. They don't make it anymore. It has the triple sunroofs. Beautiful brown leather interior. 19,000 miles. Gorgeous, gorgeous van. Fully loaded, 2 keys. Clean Carfax all the way, no issues, no stories, brand new Goodyear tires. This thing is unbelievable. Inside and out, it's like a brand new van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Happy to help at any time. Beautiful 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. Loaded out to the gills. Can't get any more options except for rear entertainment. Has every other option available that year. Super nice. Gorgeous color. Almost no blemishes in and around the van. No rust whatsoever. It's a California van its whole life. We took it in trade on a brand new. Got the footrest in the back. These are power recliners. Super nice. It's gorgeous leather. The floor is immaculate. Excellent condition all the way around. It's just like a brand new van. You can see the condition here. No accidents, clean Carfax, no funny titles. Clean title all the way. Very nice. This is an in-floor ramp. Braun ability does have 1, 2, 3 triple sunroofs. Awesome, awesome setup. This thing is insanely clean. Dual power doors. I mean, it's fully loaded. That's every possible option. Again, clean title, clean Carfax, no accident. We took it in trade on a brand new handicap van that we sold. Gorgeous inside and out. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We're in Boca Raton, Florida, Supreme Motors. We've been in business 48 years. That's what we do. We buy and sell new and used handicap vans. We are a Braun ability authorized service center and dealer. We sell new and used handicap vans, conversion vans, any specialty vans and vehicles. That's what we do. Check us out. We won't be beat. We can ship anywhere in the world. We have financing available, and we take any type of trade-ins. Anything you have, just let us know. We're very competitive on our trade-in pricing. So, just reach out to us. Ask for Jeff or Ken. 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. This thing comes with 2 keys. It has all of the original paperwork from when it was new, all of the Braun manuals, everything. Original owner's manual, original sticker. This is a limited model. Premium everything, premium leather, premium sound. Brand new Goodyear tires. As you can see, is laser straight down the sides. The thing is immaculate. Brand new tires. We put them on. Super nice. Give us a call. 954-561-2499. You can text us to that number. We can add any transfer seats, docking stations, docking systems, seating options. You just let us know. Hand controls. We do everything. We service any handicap manufacturer. Our techs are the best in the world. We're certified and have all the machinery to work on Paravan, EMC. You just let us know if there's anything we can do to help. Ask for Jeff or Ken. 954-561-2499. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Stop by and see us. We can ship anywhere in the world. Just let us know how we can help you. We take care of everybody just like family. We only have 5-star reviews. Give us a like, give us a follow. If there's anything we can do to help you, we're happy to help anytime. Thank you.